Now we are going to do maths, and in maths we are doing chapter number 4, multiplication. In the last period we had written the table of 8, and I hope all of you are writing all the tables daily in your rough book. Now we will do multiplying by 9. So also when you learn the 9 times table, you are learning only one new multiplication fact. That is, here it is given 9 bowls. How many bowls are there? 9 bowls. And in each bowl, 9 balls are there. So there are 9 groups of 9 each is, and do you know the 9 nines are? 9 nines are 81. So here you have to write 81 in all this answer. This is addition sentence and this one is multiplication sentence. Now as we had written the table of 7 and 8, now we have to write the table of 9. Here one plate is there and in one plate 9 balls are there. That is why it is written 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9. And for table writing we will write 9 ones are 9. Secondly, 2 plates are there and in each plate 9 balls are there. That is why it is written here 2 multiplied by 9 is equals to, and you don't know the table of 9 but you know the table of 2, so you can say 2 nines are 18. So here you have to write 18 and same 9 twos are 18. Like this you will complete the table by yourself. You can do it. It's very easy. You know the table of 3, 4, 5 and even you can count these balls also. So you can find the answer. Okay. Now look for the pattern and fill in the blanks. Here it is given 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9. Second, 2 multiplied by 9 is equals to 18. And here it is in brackets. The answer is 18. It is written 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. So like this we have to follow the pattern. 3 nines are 27. So 27 we have to write here 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 4 multiplied by 9 is equals to 36. Here you have to write 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. You can see all the addition of these two numbers, the addition will come, the answer of the addition will come only 9. So you have to write the rest of the numbers here and you have to do addition here of that numbers and you will find the answer 9 only. The 9 times table has another interesting pattern that we had seen here. Look at all the digits in one's place of the products. What do you notice? Look at the digit in the tens place. What do you notice? If you will see the answer of these numbers, you will find that the number of the addition sum means here whatever the number we are writing, it will come like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 8 and 9. And same way here it will come 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. You do it by yourself. I will send answer afterwards only. पहले आप करोगे उसके बाद ही मैं आंसर भेजूंगी. So you do it by yourself and if you will read these afterwards, you will understood what is to be told here in the table of 9. Okay, now we will go to the next page. See here in this page one activity is given for the remembering the table of 9. 9 का टेबल अगर आपको याद रखना है तो यहाँ पर एक मेथड दी है, वो आप अपने आप कर सकते हो. What we have to do, number your fingers from 1 to 10. अपने हाथ की सारी फिंगर्स को आपको नंबर देना है 1 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Afterwards, what will you do to find 4 multiplied by 9? Fold down the finger number 4. अगर आपको 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 का आंसर चाहिए तो आपने जो फिंगर्स को नंबर दिए हैं वो नंबर में से 4 नंबर की जो फिगर है उसको फोल्ड कर दो और फिर बाकी की जो फिगर्स है वो देख लो. एक हाथ में कितने फिंगर है 3 और दूसरे हाथ में 5 और एक हाथ का 1, तो 5 plus 1 6. Here you can see these are the 3 fingers and the rest of the numbers are these 5 plus 1, so 6. So answer will be 6, 36. Like this you can do any number from the 9th table and you can practice like this, you can get the answer. So you can remember this table of 9 easily. So that activity you have to do by yourself at home. Now we will see the exercise 4C. Here it is given, action exercise is there, build the 9 times table. यहाँ पर हमें 9 का टेबल लिखना है, पर कैसे लिखना है वो देखो. Tendulkar is a surname with 9 letters. Write it continuously in a hundreds grid. Color the box every time the name is the complete on R. मतलब ये जो हमें ग्रेड दी है 100 की उसमें हमें तेंदुलकर का स्पेलिंग लिखना है और वो स्पेलिंग में कितना लेटर्स है 9 लेटर्स. तो वो 9 लेटर लिखने के बाद जो 9th लेटर है जैसे कि ये R, तो ये R में जो लास्ट लेटर है उसमें आपको कलर करना है, बाकी कोई भी बॉक्स में कलर नहीं करना है. एक बार यहाँ पर तेंदुलकर यहाँ तक लिखा, उसके बाद R में कलर किया, उसके नेक्स्ट बॉक्स से ही आपको फिर से वो स्पेलिंग लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. अगेन तेंदुलकर का पूरा स्पेलिंग लिखा, लास्ट लेटर यहाँ पर आया 18 पर. सो यू कैन सी दैट 9 1 जा 9, ये सेकेंड टाइम यहाँ पे आया है तो 9 2 जा 18. आफ्टरवर्ड्स अगेन यू विल स्टार्ट TE और पूरा स्पेलिंग यहाँ पर खत्म करना है TENDULKAR. So third time we our R comes here on 27. So we will write 3 multiplied by 9 is equals to 27. Like this you have to complete the grid with writing तेंदुलकर. हर एक जगह पे आपको तेंदुलकर कंटिन्यूअस लिखना है और उसमें जो लास्ट लेटर R आता है वो R को आपको कलर करना है. इट्स वेरी इजी. और यहाँ पर आपको लिखते जाना है. फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे आया था 9, सेकेंड टाइम यहाँ पे आया 18, तो आपको सेकेंड बॉक्स में लिखना है 18. उसके बाद यहाँ पर आएगा 27, तो आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे 27. उसी तरह सारे नंबर्स जैसे ही जो भी R में कलर करने के बाद जो नंबर है वो सारे नंबर्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखते जाना है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट द टेबल ऑफ 9. और उसके बाद आप ये टेबल भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे कि मैंने बोला 9 1 जा 9 it is given, 9 2 जा 18 it is also given. Now here 3 9 जा, you know the table of 3, you can write here 3 9 जा that you know, so 3 9 जा 27. Like this complete the table. Okay, now we will go to the next page, exercise B. Whatever you had done in the previous page, the Tendulkar word you had written, same way you have to write your surname in this box. See, do the same with your name. With which table have you built? और आपको यहाँ पर अपना नाम लिखना है, सरनेम या नाम कुछ भी, पर एक ही वर्ड लिखना है. तो वो लिखने के बाद आपको देखना है कि यहाँ पर आपको कौन सा टेबल मिलता है और इसका आंसर सबका अलग अलग होगा. तो सबको अपने आप ही इसका करना है, इसका आंसर मैं आपको नहीं भेजूंगी. क्योंकि ये सबके नाम के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग होता है, तो आपको अपने नाम के हिसाब से लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई नेम इज निकेता. आई विल राइट हियर NIKETA. So this is the last letter of my name. Here I will color A. Again I will start NIKETA. Second A is here. First one at 6, second one at 12. So here we will write 1 multiplied by 6. So 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. Like this, you have to complete the table with your name. Okay, so you will do it by yourself and in the textbook only. Now, which two numbers have a product of 72 and a difference of 1? कौन से दो नंबर्स है जिसका आंसर 72 आता है और उसका डिफरेंस आता है 1. डिफरेंस मीन्स कौन से दो नंबर माइनस करने से हमें आंसर 1 मिलता है. सो इफ यू रिमेंबर द टेबल, you can give me the answer very quickly in which table 72 answers comes. So if the answer of 72, it comes in the table of 9. And so we can write here 9 multiplied by 8 is equals to 72, and the difference between these is 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. So that you have to remember. Now write two numbers have a sum of 18 and a product of 81. तो अब हमें दो नंबर ऐसे लिखने हैं कि जिसका सम 18 होता है और उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर 81 आता है. तो again we will write here 18, 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, and product of 81 मतलब 9 multiplied by 9 is equals to 81. So I hope all of you understood these two sums. And now third question, multiply. These are the sums of multiplication that you have to do by yourself, and you have to, if you prepare the table, you can do it very quickly. And the last question, that is solve answer in the form of a sentence. One box of tennis ball has 15 balls. How many tennis ball are there in 9 boxes? अगर एक बॉक्स में 15 बॉल्स है तो 9 बॉक्स में कितने हैं? तो उसके लिए आपको यहाँ पर जैसे लिखा हुआ है उसी तरह आपको सम में लिख के उसका कैलकुलेशन करना है. If you don't find any place here, you can write in the notebook. अगर यहाँ पे जगह नहीं मिल रही है तो आप ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी नोटबुक में कर सकते हैं. Here you have to multiply 15 multiplied by 9. Same way second one, there are 9 CDs in a box. How many CDs are there in 25 boxes? The same question is there. एक बॉक्स में 9 CD है तो 25 boxes में कितनी है? Then here you have to write 25 multiplied by 9, and whatever the answer is there you have to write here. Okay, so you can do the calculation only in the notebook and you just write the answer here. That is also okay. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the table of 9, how to remember the table of 9 that I taught you. And now you have to make a practice of writing table daily, 1 to 10 table in the rough book daily. So you can do this exercise, you can do these chapters very easily and quickly. Okay, now this is the challenge for you. Electric poles are placed at gap of 2 km each. If Ray counted 30 electric poles on a car drive, how far had he driven? So this is also a sum of multiplication. Use your mind and apply your mind and do the calculation. I will give you the answer afterwards. So I hope all of you understand the multiplication sums, how to remember the table. Keep practicing for the tables. Thank you and have a nice day.